In this video I am going to design this model. Go to start, mechanical design, part, name the part, and then I'm going to verify the units, tools, options, and under the option I'm going to click on parameters and measurement, then units. So the selected units are in millimeter. We don't need it to change it because our requirement is millimeters. Then I'm going to select the XZ plane and I'm going to open this sketch on XZ plane. First I'm going to select the circle. I'm going to draw a circle. Then I'm going to select this circle and select the dimensions. So dimension for this circle is given. This dimension is in radius and 40. Then I am going to draw some reference lines. So I am going to select line, then I am going to select the construction command and I am going to draw construction line. Then again I am going to draw a circle. This is a construction circle. We needed it for reference. The diameter of this circle is also given. I'm going to select this circle and select the dimension constraint. The diameter of the circle is given, which is 120. And then I am going to deselect the construction command. Now I am going to select the elongated hole command. I am going to select my first point anywhere like here, and second point on that reference circle. Second point must be on that circle but vertical, like that. Now I am going to trim the unrequired shapes. So I am going to select the quick trim. I am going to trim this one, select the trim, select this one, select the trim, select this one, select trim, select this one. Then I am going to, this dimension is added automatically. We can keep this dimension or we can delete it and add it by manually. So I am going to select this and I am going to dimension it. This dimension is given, which is 10 millimeter radius. And then I am going to add a vertical relation for this line, horizontal, and then again horizontal. Now I am going to check which dimension is not. So as you see, if you move this reference line, it's moving. So I needed to make this line vertical, so I am going to select this line, then constraint dialog box and make it horizontal. It's done. So this is our first, this extended shape, elongated hole. This is first one, and we needed almost 7 shapes. So we are going to draw this similar shapes 6 times more, or in coming videos I'm going to talk about the sketch pattern, rectangular pattern and circular pattern. But if you wanted to do that by adding the circular pattern, then first you needed to design this base, then you needed to design this elongated hole, and then you are going to make this elongated hole 7 times more by doing the circular pattern. But in this design I am going to design it manually. I am going to design this thing 6 times more. So I am going to make the construction line active, then select the line, first point here, second point here, and then again I am deactivating the construction command and again select the elongated command, select first reference here and second reference on the circle, and again draw like that. And again same method I am going to quick trim the unrequired shapes or the lines or the arcs. This one is 10, and now I am going to add a vertical, sorry, now I am going to add the angular dimension between this line and this line. So to do that I am going to select this line, press the control, select this line and dimension constraint. This angle is given, which is 45, and I am going to make this line parallel to this line. So I am going to select this line, then press control, select this line and constraint dialog box, and I am going to make it parallel. So this line is parallel to this line and this line is also parallel to this line. These lines are also parallel at the same 45 angle with the reference of this line. And now again I am going to activate the construction command. I am going to select line and again I am going to draw first point here and second point on the reference circle, and again I am going to select the elongated hole and draw it first point anywhere here and second point on that circle. Now I am going to delete this dimension, or we can also edit it 10, and then I am going to select the quick trim, select this quick trim, select this line, quick trim, select this line, quick trim, select this line, and now I am going to add the angular dimension between this line and this line and select this dimension is also 45, and then I am going to add the parallel relation between this line and this line to make it fully defined. So these three elongated holes are designed here. Now I am going to mirror these three elongated holes to the other side. So I am going to select this line, press the control, select this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, while keep pressing the control, and then mirror it with the reference of this axis. And now the small hole in the middle of this arc is left, so I am going to select a hole. I am going to select this point. Please be careful when you are selecting the point. When you go to the line, the color of the line will change, and when you go to the point, the color of the point will be changed. If you observe here, the color is changed. So to avoid any automatic relation, I will place it. I am going to, you see, when I move this, the color of the line, some lines are changing. That means it's adding automatically relation with it, and the symbol of the relation is also appearing. Like I'm selecting here or here, the color of the line is changing, and also it's adding a automatic constraint relation. So we don't need it. That's why I'm going to place it anywhere where the relation is not added, like here. And I am going to select this line and I am going to press the dimension. This dimension is diameter is 10, and same way I am going to add the other circles. Ten, select this circle, dimension constraint, it's also 10. Now I am going to mirror these three circles. I am going to select this circle, press control, select this circle, select this circle, click on mirror command, and then select this reference line. It's done. Then I'm going to exit the workbench. This one, see in this sketch, this line, this line, and this portion from here to here, this portion from here to here, this portion is also dividing the sketch into multi portions. So we needed to remove these portions to pad the sketch. So I am going to select this sketch, edit this sketch, and I'm going to remove it. We needed to make this line a construction line. And then I am going to select this line, make it construction line. Then I'm going to remove this trim, quick 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 trim. Now we can extrude our sketch. And now I am going to select this surface. I am going to open the sketch, select the circle, draw a circle here. The dimension of this circle is given in diameter, and it's 60. Going to close the sketch, add the pocket. We can put the dimension, or we can make it up to next or up to last, and it's done.